Buongiorno, Giuseppe.
Joey, my name's Joey.
Scusa, capisci siciliano?
No, I speak English. I speak American.
Hey, me too. I'm from Canazzi. Do you know this? Canazzi?
Frankly, I don't give a shit where you come from.
Scusa?
Look, we're getting off to a bad start here. Either you tell me what's on your mind, or I'm gonna go buy myself a rack of lamb, and me and my friends are gonna go have ourselves a little barbecue.
Giuseppe, we talk like men, no? Not like the bulldog in the gutter. The bulldog, very ugly. So you shoot me in the head, then Scipio shoot you in the head. And then what do we get? We got a big headache.
That's funny. Isn't that funny?
Yeah, it's funny. I'll make you laugh.
Yeah, I laugh.
That's good.
Yeah.
So let's talk business.
Hey, one thing. This Rocco betrayed his friend. I don't work with someone like that. Either he goes or I go.
You have a problem? We'll fix it.